Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. My name is Maria, and I will be your teacher. Today, we are going to learn how to make the TH sound in English words. We're going to practice words that have TH at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, and at the end of a word. If you don't think you're able to pronounce the sound of the TH in these words clearly, I have some suggestions for you after we practice saying the words first. So if you need extra help or you want to make sure that you know what you're doing, make sure you watch the suggestions I have for you after we practice the words. I also have suggestions for how you can become more comfortable making the sounds. Let's get started. Just put your tongue gently under your top teeth and blow. Let's practice with these 4 words. This. Let's say them 2 times. Let's start from the beginning. This. This. That. That. Think. Think. Thank. Thank. Did you hear as I was blowing air through at the beginning of the word? This, that, think, thank. For many students, this sound is not found in their native tongue. It is unusual, and you may not feel comfortable making this sound. The reason some students do not pronounce words with the TH clearly is because the sound is so different from their native tongues. So you must practice regularly so that you can pronounce words clearly and feel comfortable making these sounds. Then you will feel confident when you are speaking. Let's say the words one more time. This, this, that, that. Think, think, thank, thank. The second sound has a vibration here. Well done so far. Let's practice these words with TH in the middle. Other, other. Bother, bother. Weather, weather. Feather, feather. Together, together. Let's do it again, and this time we'll pronounce them a little faster. Other, other. bother, bother, weather, weather, feather, feather, together, together. I hope that practicing with me is making you feel more comfortable. The goal is that you would feel comfortable with these sounds. They may not be sounds that you have used in your native language. That's why they have to be practiced, not just to learn the pronunciation, but also to feel comfortable. Most students are pronouncing the words correctly, they just don't feel comfortable. So they are unsure if they are saying it right. You're probably saying it right, you're just not comfortable. So you need to practice regularly. Now, let's look at the last set of words. These are words that have TH at the end. With, with, bath, bath, both, both, beneath, beneath, teeth, teeth, breathe, breathe. Everyone, very good. Good work today. I want to leave you with two final suggestions to help you as you're practicing. I know not everyone is comfortable making this sound, and maybe some of you don't think you're able to actually make the sound. Maybe you're stuck with, but they're still not. Maybe you're not able you know? Well, here's some tips to help you. First of all, make sure you know how to hum. Mm, mm. This is humming. Mm, mm. Just make that sound, okay? Can you hum while you hold your tongue like this? Mm, mm, mm. Okay, try that first. Mm, mm. And then maybe you might begin to be able to blow through the air. So you start with humming here. Mm, mm. Then you hum still, but with your tongue here underneath your teeth. Mm, mm. Then see if you can move the vibration from here to push it out through your mouth. Okay. The other thing you can do is learn to exaggerate. Learn to say the words in an exaggerated way. So instead of just saying this, say this, that, this, that. Okay, I push my tongue out farther and I open my mouth a little bigger. This, that. Saying TH with words in the middle. Feather, feather, weather, weather. I'm really exaggerating. Exaggerating means you go bigger. You make the sound bigger. You make your mouth bigger as it's pronouncing the words bigger. Okay. Weather, feather. Okay. What about words that have TH at the end? Like both, breathe. Okay, when you exaggerate, it helps to extend your mouth muscles. Okay, some people are helped by doing exercises or facial massages. Rub the muscles around your jaw, around your cheekbones, around your face to help stimulate them. Okay, you want to stimulate the muscles and then practice again your pronunciation. Okay, it should help you. It'll feel like your mouth has gotten some breath into it. This, that, bother, feather, with. Okay, practice doing these things. I think that will help you a lot. Okay, leave me your feedback in the comments if you are trying this, if it's working for you. I hope you give it a good try and leave me some feedback and let me know how it's going. All right, you guys. See you next time.